Did you know that only around 10% of Americans have $1 million or more saved for retirement? It's a startling fact highlighting the importance of better financial planning and investment strategies. But the good news is there's a simple and effective way to become a millionaire and achieve financial freedom. That's through a Roth IRA, a powerful retirement account that offers tax benefits and long-term growth potential. In today's video, we'll explore how a Roth IRA can help you build a $1 million nest egg, even if you're starting out with just a few $100s. From the basics of a Roth IRA to advanced investment strategies, we'll cover everything you need to know. Without further ado, let's get started. The concept of Roth IRA. Well, Roth IRA is a form of retirement account that enables tax-free growth and withdrawals while you save money for retirement. Unlike regular retirement plans, which provide tax breaks on donations, a Roth IRA allows you to contribute after-tax monies, which means you pay taxes up front. Still, your contributions grow tax-free, and you can withdraw your contributions and gain tax-free in retirement. But there are some eligibility requirements. To be eligible to start a Roth IRA and make contributions, you need to have earned income, which can come from various sources, including wages, salaries, tips, and income from self-employment. There are income restrictions based on your tax filing status as well. But even if you make more than the limit, you might be able to contribute to a Roth IRA via a backdoor Roth IRA strategy. The IRS established annual contribution caps, which are subject to modification. For 2023, the maximum contribution is $6,500 for people under 50 and $7,500 for people over 50. An annual contribution limit applies to all your IRAs. So if you have multiple IRAs, you must ensure your total contributions don't exceed it. Well, the most significant benefit of these accounts is tax-free growth and withdrawals during retirement. This means that any earnings on your contributions grow tax-free, and you won't have to pay taxes on your contributions or gains when you withdraw them in retirement. This can help you save a lot of money on taxes and let you keep more of the money you've worked hard to save. By contributing to a Roth IRA, you can be assured that your retirement funds are growing tax-free and that you can live a tax-free life in retirement. That's incredible. Getting started. Now that you're familiar with the fundamentals of a Roth IRA, it's time to learn how to open and fund one. You should also know how to select a trustworthy brokerage firm and the proper investments depending on your risk tolerance and investing goals. Let's start by discussing how to start a Roth IRA. The procedure is simple and can be completed online through a brokerage firm or investment company. You'll be asked to give basic information about yourself, such as your name, address, and social security number. Also, you'll need to select a beneficiary who will inherit your account assets in the event of your death. The next step is to fund your Roth IRA. You can do this using several techniques, including checks, wire transfers, and bank transfers. Make sure to not go over the annual limit because, as we've already established, there are contribution limits. But how do you select a reliable brokerage company? Various options are available, from big banks to online investment platforms. When selecting a brokerage firm, examine aspects like fees, investment options, customer service, and reputation. Make sure to conduct thorough research and select a company that aligns with your values and investment objectives. Once your Roth IRA has been established and financed, you should consider the best possible assets. This is an essential step since the investments you select will affect how successful and how quickly your Roth IRA grows over time. Many options are available to you, including equities, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Diversifying your holdings and avoid placing all your financial eggs in one basket is key. This entails distributing your investments over various asset classes and sectors to reduce risk and increase possible returns. Despite the temptation to go it alone, you should consider seeing a financial counselor or using an online investment tool to assist you in making wise investment choices. These websites can provide valuable insight and information, assisting you in selecting the best assets for your specific financial circumstances and goals. Now that you understand how to open a Roth IRA and contribute funds to it, what should you do next to protect your future financial stability? How can you make the most of your investments and maximize your contributions? Maximizing contributions to a Roth IRA. Setting up automated contributions is a practical method for increasing your contribution. This entails setting up regular, automated transfers from your checking or savings account to your Roth IRA. Without remembering to make manual payments each month or year, you can ensure you're continuously investing in your future by automating your contributions. A different approach is to benefit from catch-up contributions. You can contribute more to your Roth IRA each year above and beyond the regular contribution cap if you're over 50. These catch-up contributions can help you compensate for lost time while also speeding up your retirement savings. Of course, consistent, disciplined investing is the key to maximizing your contributions. You can attain both long-term growth and financial security if you commit to your financial goals and make consistent investments. Remember that Roth IRA perks, such as tax-free growth and withdrawals during retirement, only become apparent over time. This means continuing forward despite economic or market uncertainties, investing in the long term. Now that we've mentioned long term, maximizing your Roth IRA contributions is more than just contributing as much as possible. It also involves making long-term, wise investments with those contributions. By focusing on the long term and diversifying your portfolio, you can contribute risk and reap the benefits of compounding gains over time. And well, it's pretty simple. Diversifying your portfolio is an essential long-term financial strategy. It means spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. As a result, the impact of any one investment is maximized, lowering your overall risk. Ultimately, long-term investments involve discipline, patience, and commitment to your financial goals. You can create a portfolio supporting your long-term financial success by focusing on the big picture and adhering to a thoughtful investment approach. And now to the magic of compound interest. Compound interest. Compounding is frequently referred to as the world's eighth wonder. Your money works for you. And, well, a Roth IRA can aid in accumulating wealth over the long run through compound interest. Say, for instance, that at age 25, you begin contributing to a Roth IRA. You contribute $6,000 each year until you reach the age of 70. Your investments provide a 7% return on average yearly, which is compounded. When you reach the age of 70, your Roth IRA will have a $2 million corpus. There is no assurance that your assets will generate 7% annually, but even if your return is only 3.5% to 4%, you will still have more than $771,890. To acquire the same level of wealth, though, you would need to save significantly more every year if you started making contributions later in life, say at age 35. Compounding potentially may be enormous, so getting started early is essential. As we've seen, a Roth IRA is a great way to save for retirement for several reasons. But how does it stack up against other retirement accounts like 401ks and conventional IRAs? Benefits. First and foremost, tax-free growth and withdrawals are the main advantage of a Roth IRA account. Having the government stop permanently taking money out of your bank account has to be the finest thing ever. You can't defer paying taxes on your contributions as you might with a traditional IRA when you make them to the Roth IRA, because the money you put into the account is after tax. In return, you get tax-free growth on your money and tax-free withdrawals when you reach retirement age, 59 or older. Your retirement fund can grow quickly with the help of a Roth IRA. The second benefit is that you can leave your money to heirs tax-free. Even though it's simple to overlook, the Roth IRA is a fantastic tool for asset transfer. With a Roth IRA, you can leave your heirs any money in the account tax-free. Depending on the situation, the account's successors may be able to continue to develop it tax-free for years or even decades, while other heirs may have to distribute the entire account's assets within 10 years of the original owner's passing. But since that money is in a Roth IRA, any distributions to recipients will ultimately be tax-free. It also has no age limit. You can still contribute to a Roth IRA regardless of your age. At any age, you can contribute to and benefit from the account as long as you've earned income through working. Your contribution cannot exceed your earned income of $6,500 as of 2023. Whichever is smaller. Those over 50 can, however, contribute an additional $1,000 annually. Last but not least, Roth IRAs do not have mandatory distributions. They exist in the traditional IRA. The same goes for Roth 401ks and traditional 401ks. Absolutely, only the Roth IRA is exempt from the mandatory minimum distribution among the major retirement accounts, RMDs. RMDs, as the name implies, require you to withdraw a minimum amount from your account at least once a year. You'll be required to withdraw under the RMD whether you need to or not. And that means paying taxes and ending the account's tax advantage compounding. Nevertheless, the Roth IRA completely avoids mandatory minimum withdrawals, allowing you to compound your funds for as long as you wish and even pass them on tax-free to your heirs. From all these benefits and the ease of setting up an account, why wouldn't you become a millionaire? You're essentially getting the advantage of tax-free benefits and the power of compound interest. I mean, what else can you dream of when it comes to investments? As we wrap up, remember consistency and discipline are the keys to success, so make a plan and stick to it. Is there anything we missed out on? Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.